RV College of Architecture was established in 1992 as Department of Architecture in RV College of Engineering, Bengaluru. The present campus, constructed in 2014, is an iconic example of contemporary architecture built over a site measuring 2.21 acres. RVCA offers courses on Bachelor of Architecture and Master of Architecture with specialization in urban design. The campus contains academic block, administration block, and hostel block. The administration block and academic block are connected by bridge, skywalk, and lift on all levels. The campus contains large open spaces and courtyards for gathering, meeting, informal activities, and so on. You can also find installed construction elements, sculptures, paintings, and furniture while moving through the campus in these open spaces. The construction yard is used by the students to engage in hands-on activity to construct various components of buildings such as walls, arches, piers, domes, etc., using different materials of construction. The academic block contains lecture halls and well-lit studios equipped with projectors, LAN, and workstations which provide a stimulating working environment, allowing students to engage in the creative task of designing. It also contains an air-conditioned 130 capacity seminar hall for conducting seminars and talks by faculty and invited experts. Campus contains a multi-purpose hall auditorium with 250 capacity used for conferences and cultural events in the college. RVCA Library has an exclusive collection and has subscription to numerous national and international journals and magazines. The collection offers rich source of knowledge to the students and faculty on core and allied subjects in architecture. The RVCA Library attracts many visitors from other architecture colleges in the city as well. The campus also contains labs that are allied with the curriculum where the equipment available can be issued by the students to work. Material lab contains wide range of building construction materials used for interior and exterior works. A survey lab with equipments like laser distance measure, ranging rods, engineering chain, etc. Computer lab with around 60 desktops of latest configurations loaded with licensed software required in architecture such as AutoCAD, Revit, QGIS, and many more, along with the plotter room for the students. Other labs include structures and material testing lab with equipments like concrete testing, weighing balance, electronic balance, aggregate sieve, etc. Climatology lab with equipments like rain gauge, digital lux meter, anemometer, heliodome, sunshine recorder, etc. Fine art studio and model making workshop provide students hands-on experience of working with clay. Other facilities include an exhibition hall which is dedicated to showcase the works of RVCA students. The admin block contains the reception, main office, principal's office, and the faculty offices. The hostel block contains separate hostel for boys and girls with facilities and amenities such as mess, gym, sports area, and so on. Additionally, other amenities offered to the students and faculties include the cafeteria, stationery shop, bus service, medical care, professional counselor, and ambulance. The inspiring structure of the college has been designed to create an environment conducive for architectural studies with paintings, sculptures, greenery, pond, courtyards, and so on, giving a holistic, real-time learning experience.